Everybody, Heather Campbell here for Avery L. And today I've got a fun card that's actually a shaped shaker card. And I created this card using the new Avery L cotton candy stamp set. So to create this card, the very first thing I did was stamp the large cotton candy image. And then I went ahead and stamped it again on some Post-it material to create a mask. And then I'm going to use this mask and I'm just going to go ahead and ink blend inside of my cotton candy with some Distress Oxides. Now, I'm not being too perfect on the blending. I'm just kind of trying to get the edges, and then I'm going to do the same thing with the little cone part of the cotton candy. By creating this mask, I'm able to really have fun with the ink blending and keep that white border. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp it again in my Misty, and I'm going to heat emboss it. I want it to have a little shine, so I'm just going to heat emboss it with some clear embossing powder, and then I'm going to do the exact same thing with the sentiment on the inside of my cotton candy, and where I'm going to stamp it and then heat emboss it with some clear embossing powder. I love the look that this gives. Then I went ahead and added some shimmer spray, and I'm going to cut my layers. So if you notice these dies, there's an inner and an outer, so you can use that to create the perfect shaker window. I'm also lining up the larger one on the top of an A2 card so I can create the top folding card part of this. So then the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add my little piece of foam that I cut out with both the inside and the outside. And that's going to allow me to have my depth to create my shaker. So then I'm going to add some coarse glitter and some other little sequins to it. And then I'm going to put my acetate layer and then also my white cardstock layer. I'm going to go ahead and add that too. Once I have all those together, I'm going to just put a little bit of pressure on it to let that glue adhere well and then let it dry. Once it's dry, I am able to add that top folding card base behind it, and there you go. There you can see my cute little shaker shaped card. Thank you so much for watching and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.